Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a common problem on power vented gas water heaters, which is either the power vent itself or the diaphragm switch. If your water heater isn't working, the very first thing you should try is to turn it off for 5 minutes and then restart it with these instructions. If that didn't work, keep watching. Your water heater exhaust comes out here, and this vent vacuums it up and blows it outside. If you've got cold water and this isn't running, you may have a problem. Often these are just plugged into the top of the water heater, and so they're pretty easy to test. Plug it into an extension cord. If you hear it running, it's okay. If not, you need to replace it. If you need a new one of these, I'll put a link in the video description, and they're really easy to replace. There's one screw here that takes off this pipe, and then a screw here and here that holds the whole unit down. Sometimes this vacuum line can get clogged right in here. To check for that, pull this off. I want to show you what this looks like on the inside, and you don't have to do this, but I'm going to pull my blower completely out. And there it is. You can see how it can get corroded and maybe plugged up on the inside. But all you have to do is clean this out with a paper clip and put your hose back on. If that didn't fix the problem, we'll head on down to the vacuum switch. My water heater is an amazing 25 years old. The new ones look a lot different but work exactly the same. There's the thermostat, control unit, vacuum switch, and gas valve. In today's water heaters, these three components are combined into one, but this is still separate. If this doesn't detect vacuum, it turns off power to the controller and the heater won't start. Gas furnaces are set up pretty much the same way. You've got your burner, gas valve, inducer fan, which sends exhaust up the chimney, and your exhaust switch. If this doesn't detect a vacuum in this hose, meaning the inducer is running, the furnace won't start. If you've got cold water but your power vent is running, your vacuum switch is probably shot. Hear my power vent roaring away up there, so we know it's this. This is only 24 volts, so it's safe to work with, and a really good way to test this is to bridge it with a screwdriver like that. So we bridge it, the gas turns on, you hear the igniter, the pilot light, and the main burner. So out with the old and in with the new. Pretty much any of these will work, but I'll put a link to this one in the video description. Before I put it in, I'll put a vacuum on there so you can hear it click. So pop these wires off, pull off the hose, unscrew it from wherever it's attached to, and pull it out. Screw the new one in. Hose, wires. Should have said this earlier, but it's best to turn your power off while you're doing the change out. Now let's turn it back on and try it. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your water heater.